cats and kittens, join me as I have a look around Victoria Tower. Take some pictures, fly the drone a little bit and show you around as well, because it is a beautiful area. Let's go. I completely forgot. Be a lamb and support the sponsor of this video and all of my videos, which is me. Like and subscribe, please, and thank you. Continue. Victoria Tower, or Strongpoint Victoria Tower, is a Martello tower which became operational in 1837, as we can see written right there above the door. The purpose of the tower was to prevent the enemies landing at Anport, which is over there, and to prohibit access to Mont Saint Nicolas, protecting Mont Orgueil Gory Castle, which is somewhere there on that side there. Now there are a few Martello towers in Jersey, but this one is one of a kind because it's the only one with a moat, with a ditch around it. I think it's around 4 meters deep and around 3 meters across. It has a few doors there at the bottom. They might have been storerooms, might have been ammunition storerooms. Inside the tower there's a circular staircase which connects the 3 floors. Also, during the German occupation, this was armed. The small anti-aircraft gun was placed on top, and that's why it's also known as Strongpoint Victoria Tower from the German occupation in World War II. Now the tower is closed most of the time for visitors, but keep an eye out on Visit Jersey's website, the National Trust website, Jersey War Tours, because a few times a year they do open it and you can go inside and have a look. Oh yeah, not only it has a ditch, a moat, it also has a drawbridge. A drawbridge, it's like an old castle, isn't it? How cool is that? We are on top of 1837 because it was named after Queen Victoria, which I think came to reign the year after it was built. I don't know. Google it yourself. What do you think I've been doing? Victoria Tower, Strongpoint Victoria Tower. And also, if you're around, have a look at it, take in the beautiful views across Anport, St. Catherine's Bay, and all the way in the distance there, which you probably can't see, it's France! France, France, France. It's a beautiful place to come, have a walk. Gorey Castle is just on the other side there. So, from within the daffodils, with Gorey Castle in the background and Victoria Tower protecting me, keeping me safe on the other side. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, give it a subscribe. You know the drill. If you didn't, go ahead, do so anyway. It's free. And you know what else? Love you, bye.